So today I'm checking out this crimper that I bought on Amazon, and this is not just the crimper tool, this is a whole kit. And I was able to pick this up for pretty close to the same price of just buying a crimper tool. So let's take this thing out of the box and see everything it comes with. So I wanted to get one of these crimpers, and what I love about these crimpers is they've got this extra leverage. I mean, you've got a lot of power here when you're pushing down that crimp, so that way you don't have to worry about the end of that connector coming off. And this one lets you do all different size gauges by just opening this up, pushing this in, and then flipping what size you need. Of course, you want to line them up to be the same on both sides, but man, that has a nice, good grip. For the price of this, anywhere else, I was able to get all of this, and I mean, this really adds up. It's great. I mean, I love the fact that they bundled all this together. They made it economical. I'm always buying heat shrink to put on my wiring, and you get a massive amount of these. And it comes with this tool. I mean, this is not a cheap tool. It's nice and sharp. I mean, now you can cut your wires without them all fraying. And the connectors, I mean, what's not to like? This thing is awesome. So I am super happy that I purchased this instead of just running down the street and picking one of these up, because it has everything I need and all of this extra value in it. It's just unbeatable. So if you're thinking about picking this thing up, I definitely recommend getting it. You always need all of these extra pieces. If you're using this, why wouldn't you have all this? Again, all of it looks pretty quality. Honestly, it looks no different than the other ones that I was looking at. They look all built nice and strong. It's got good grips on it. Definitely looks like something that you don't have to buy again. You know, if this is what you need, I don't see any reason why I'd have any problems with it. Built nice and strong. It's going in my electrical toolbox. All right, well, I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.